Is your Dodge Durango key fob unresponsive or popping open? The most likely culprit is a dead CR2032 battery. First, locate the key release button on your fob. Use a small screwdriver or coin to gently pry open the case along the seam. Be careful not to damage the plastic clips. Once open, remove the old battery, noting the positive plus side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Firmly snap the case back together, ensuring it closes completely. If it doesn't close, check for debris or bent clips, a common issue. This DIY fix typically resolves most battery-related key fob problems. Remember to wear gloves to avoid transferring oils to the contacts. If your Durango key fob still isn't working after replacing the battery, reprogramming may be necessary. First, test the fob by pressing its buttons near your vehicle to check for responsiveness. If the fob remains unresponsive, try reprogramming manually. Start your engine with a working key, cycle the ignition off and back on, then press the fob buttons as prompted by the vehicle's horn or chirp feedback. If manual reprogramming doesn't work, you may need an OBD2 scanner for reprogramming. This is a popular DIY method that connects to your vehicle's diagnostic port. If DIY methods don't succeed, you can take your vehicle to a dealership for reprogramming, which usually costs between $50 and $100. If you're experiencing an open case issue where the fob won't stay closed, worn latches could be the cause. Try sanding the plastic clips slightly and reinforcing them with epoxy for a better seal. To prevent future issues, check your key fob battery annually. Also, be cautious with cheap aftermarket batteries, as they may drain faster than quality ones.